Hello, let me introduce our company, the Shenzhen Xingyetan Plastic and Hardware Company Limited, or XYT if you prefer. Our company in the last 10 years has been specialized in the developing, production and marketing of plastic products. Our main products are sport bottles, promotion cups, ice cubes, shakers and fresh lunch boxes. All the materials that we use in our products are 100% food grade and comply with the European food safety standards. Our factory is located in Longgang, Shenzhen, a city close to Hong Kong. The factory facility occupies 6,500 square meters, equipped with advanced machines, where 160 people work as a team to ensure the best quality according to the ISO 9001 standards and customer requirements. Our departments are capable of R&D, injection molding, blow molding, assembly and all sorts of printing, like silkscreen printing, pad printing and heat transfer printing. We can deliver as a monthly output over 3 million pieces. Manage fast delivery task is not a problem for us. Our products receive good reputation from many customers due to good quality and good services. More than 90% of our products are marketed and exported to all over the world, especially in North America, Europe, Australia and Southeast Asia. We constantly work for give outstanding quality, excellent services and competitive price to our clients. Furthermore, we have rich experience in OEM processing. Our professional R&D team are skilled in production design, development and also programming of the production. We can provide positive solution according to the customer requirement, them samples or drawings. Also, we have passed Walmart, Tesco and McDonald's audit. We are looking forward to establish business relationship with people from all over the world. And also we will warmly welcome you in visiting our facilities. Thank you.